Hi, welcome to Creative Digital Designs, and we're back with another video. This video, I'm going to be going over a new feature in Canva. So if you have, I'm not sure if it's available for everyone yet, but they now have where you can create email designs directly in Canva. So if you are a business owner or you just need to send out professional emails, or you have a print on demand type store, or you just need to be able to send out newsletters, this is perfect for you. So on the home page, you're going to go ahead and hit create new email. And then it's going to say create a new email. So the typical email, of course, would be things typed out, but if you want to make it look nicer, we're going to go over here to designs, and they have a ton of different results. So of course, you can always search what type of design you're looking for. But for example, if we click on this one, this is a realtor email. So they have opportunity for everybody. So this is a template that you can go ahead and edit if you are a realtor. You can change the background color, you can change the font, you can change this image out. You've wanted to send something out to your list every month, you can go ahead and create this. You have here where you can add a link to schedule a call. So all these different things that you can go ahead and edit out with the email. If you want to add your social media, all you have to do is add a link to it. You can edit all of this, and then there's so many different templates that you can go ahead and change based on who your target audience is or what your email is about. We have something if you have a business about skincare, or if you have a blog about skincare. So there's so many different emails that you can do. And it even has here where you can send a test email after you have created everything. So you can have a subject line, and you can go ahead and type in an email and hit send test email. So that is pretty good, cool. And then you can also download the particular page, and you can go ahead and upload it to your provider of where you send out your emails, whether it is, I can't remember the email providers right now. I think but the ones that you can use, you can go ahead and just upload this whole image and have your template already there for your email. So this is how you can go ahead and edit it. Like I said, you select this area, you hit edit, and then this little Canva circle is going to pop up, and you can edit this whole section. So this is a great way to save time. Again, you can remove this. Go ahead and go to your elements and add a different image, or if you have images that you need to upload for your business, you can upload it, put it there. You can change the font color, you can change the font. All of these can be changed, and then you go ahead and hit save, and then you do it section by section. And so, yeah, this is a new way to go ahead and create your emails that are nice, that are uniform. You can go ahead and create a template that you're going to duplicate and send out every single month. So this is perfect for business owners, like I said, or people who need to send out nice uniform emails. So I forgot actually to include this. So actually, when you hit share, they have an option where you can go in MailChimp or Gmail already here. So you can select Gmail, and you can go ahead and connect to your Gmail to send your email designs. All you have to do is click connect Gmail. It's going to ask you to sign in, and then you can be able to implement your designs directly in Google if this is where you send out emails. So that is pretty cool as well. The same thing with MailChimp. They're going to ask you to download it, and you can upload it there. I hope that this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what type of videos you want me to create next, and subscribe so that you don't miss a video, because I'm going to be going over new Canva features, new Canva tutorials, designs, and different things on this channel, as well as Etsy and print on demand. So if you enjoy that type of content, make sure to tune in and subscribe. Have a great day.